Hey guys, it is Red and Blue, and it is game day, game on. El Classique, the classic in France, PSG Marseille, tonight in the Parc des Princes. Let me give you all of the information on the game and all you need to know to be ready for the big one. Starting with the starting 11s, obviously the final ones haven't been communicated yet. That only happened the hour before the game. But from what we hear in the media, PSG is going to be set up in the usual 4-3-3, Safonov in goal, Zaire Emery on the right of defense, Marquinhos and Pacho in the middle, and Mendes on the left. A midfield three of Neves, Vitinha, and Le Parisien and l'équipe are saying either Mayulu or Doué. Personally, my money is on Kang-in Lee. You've heard it here first. And then up front, media is saying Doué or Lee on the right. I think it will be Doué. And then Dembele in the middle and Barcola on the left. For Marseille, a big surprise potentially happening. It looks like Marseille might be playing its substitute goalkeeper, Delange, instead of Rulli, their usual Argentine goalkeeper. The media is saying they're going to be organized in a 4-2-3-1. I do not believe that. Again, you heard it here first. I think it's going to be a 3-4-3, which is what they've played against us the two times we played them this season. Obviously, they won one of those games and almost won the other, so I see no reason for them to change. And so the media is saying Delange in goal, Wea, Balerdi, Medina, Emerson in defense, Højbjerg and Timber in midfield, Greenwood, Nwaneri, and Paixão with Guerri up front. For me, the only difference that I take out Nwaneri, and I think he's going to be replaced by Pavard. And so that gives its defense of Pavard, Balerdi, Medina, midfield, Wea, Højbjerg, Timber, Emerson, and then a line of three up front with Greenwood, Guerri, Paixão. I think it makes a lot more sense. Honestly, it's a system that's worked for them against us. Even if Nwaneri has been really interesting since he arrived this a couple of weeks ago from Arsenal, I think for a game like this, you want some consistency, you want to trust the things that have worked, and so I think Roberto De Zerbi will do that. I think the goalkeeper thing though is really a big bet and it's really an interesting one, and yeah, like we're gonna have to see. Obviously, like Rulli hasn't been doing well recently in terms of the games that he's played. He's had a couple of mistakes. We know he's been like very inconsistent as well and error prone. So it's a little bit of a big one. On the other end, obviously, like Delange is very, very untested at this level. He's only been in Marseille essentially like for a year and a half at this point, coming straight from go-ahead Eagles in the Netherlands. He's done his whole career in the Netherlands league. Yeah, big bet. We'll see if it pays off for them. In terms of the substitutes, Marseille have got their full squad available. For PSG, we do have a few players missing. But to start with good news, Kvaratskhelia is going to be available for this game. He's part of the squad. Likely going to start on the bench, but it could be an option if we need him. If we need him in the second half or at some point during this game. So watch out for this. But we are still missing. We're missing three players. We're missing Hakimi, who's obviously suspended for this game, and then we're missing Engin too, who apparently is going to have to undergo surgery, so he's going to be out for a long time. And Fabian Ruiz, who's still not back from the knock he picked up against Lisbon like nearly 3 weeks ago in the Champions League. We're not quite clear on what exactly is going on with Fabian Ruiz. It's obviously like too long for it to be just a knock. He's still not back in training with the team, so yeah, like it's a big question mark. There's not really a lot of information coming out, and everyone is really wondering at this point. But yeah, he's definitely not going to be here for this game, which is, it's going to be an issue. I mean, it's one of our top, usual starting midfielder. So not a great one for him to miss. In terms of the situation in League One before this game, Lens actually won their game yesterday. They were playing. Like looking for it at the same time. They were playing at home against Rennes. They won 3-1 with a great goal from one of their new recruits, Saint-Maximin, who came back to the French league and scored an absolute screamer. Lyon has won their game as well against Nantes. And so, like, you know, right now, it means that for us, we need to win to get the top spot of Ligue 1 back from Lens, got it back through their win. Marseille, so Lyon takes 3 points over them with them winning. So for both teams, it's an absolute must-win game. So it's going to be an interesting one. And for me, I stand with the predictions that I gave in the preview that I did. If you haven't seen it, by the way, go check it out because I go in depth in the tactics. So if you want more information and things to watch for this game, it's a great source of information. My prediction, I said 3-1 for PSG, which I still believe is a pretty good one for it. I do believe, you know, that we're the superior team. We had the 4 week to prepare for the game. We want to set the record straight after losing in the league in Marseille and nearly losing in the Trophy des Champions in Kuwait. And so I think it's a great opportunity for us to, you know, not necessarily like make a statement, but like be dominant and get the win, get the 3 points. Push Marseille completely out of any title discussion. Hopefully, push them a little bit deeper in their like crisis that they've got going on. And yeah, remind everyone that, you know, PSG is here, and you know, if you want to get trophies from us, you're gonna need to like do a whole lot more than what those jokers have been doing. So that's my prediction. Let me know in the comment what you think. How excited are you for this game? What's your prediction for it? As always, leave a like if you made this far in the video. Like I said, go check out as well like the more long-form tactical previews that I did. And if you haven't yet, like, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified of future videos. And don't forget, ici c'est Paris!